Hello YouTube, it's me, Cash Waller again, and today I'm doing a comparison between my Bissell PowerForce bagged and my Bissell PowerLifter Rewind. Okay, so I bought this about almost 10 days ago, this Bissell PowerForce bagged, and I bought this about almost a year ago, because I got this for my birthday. This one right here. I'm going to see which works better, if a bagged vacuum works or a bagless works better. First, I'm going to use the bagged vacuum, and we're going to see how much my Bissell PowerLifter Rewind picks up after my bagged one. Okay, first I'm going to start with the bagged, and I'm going to start with the bagless. Okay, so here we go. You're not going to be able to see it that well because it's very bright. Okay, so hopefully you guys can see that. So let me move my literature board out of the way. First, I'm going to start with the bag. This is my new Bissell PowerForce bag. It has Febreze bag in it. Okay. Move this one out of the way. Okay, so here we go. So the cord is entirely unwrapped, and I have it the second before bare floor because I have very short carpet in my room. So go. So here we go. And by the way, today this will be the last video I'm gonna make of this month because I'm going on vacation somewhere, and it's for this entire month, so I'm not gonna be making videos until July. So I'm gonna plug it in over. I'm gonna plug it in over here. So we're gonna see which one picks up better, the bag vacuum, or the bagless. Okay. So move this out of the way. Here we go. much the bagless picks up after the bagged vacuum. Get this wrapped. This has a very long cord, so. Hold on, I'll be right back. Okay, sorry I was gone. I had to do something real quick. Okay, so now we're gonna see how much the bagless picks up after the bag. Alright, so, and this is my top vacuum that I like. It's my top vacuum. It works really good. I love it. Come on. We're on this setting, right there. And here we go. There we go. Alright, so that was my Bissell PowerLifter rewind. Rewind that. Oh crap. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna see how much the bagless picked up after the bags. I did this for both about an equal amount of time. And look how much we picked up after the bag vacuum. You can see the dirt that's in there. That dirt is way down in there, but it picked up a little bit about amount of dirt after the bag's vacuum. So it proves that this one works better. Okay. So attend to see more of my YouTube videos. Bye.